Hey guys, so this is September and this is the that time of the year when you want to throw out your older iPhone and get a newer one. But one problem we all face is about the data transfer. That transferring data from your older iPhone to the newer iPhone is actually a lot of headache. There are a lot of limitations by iCloud and you cannot switch home screen layouts too. You need to set up everything from scratch and that is very time consuming. Well, in this video, I want to share a software that will let you do all of this on your fingertips. So you don't have to download everything again. And also you can, set up your home screen layout from the older iPhone to the newer iPhone. And you can do lot more. Well, without any further delay, let's get jump into this app and see what this app is all about. Now it's time to switch to my computer screen because that is there I'm going to show you that amazing software. So this is the website of Mobile Transfer. Mobile Transfer is the software that can help you to do all of those things that I just mentioned. And from here, you need to download this software. Just click on the download and it will start downloading. As you can see, now the download is going to start. It's going to download in a couple of seconds and now you are good to go. Installation process is also very simple. It will install very quickly. So just do install and you are good to go over here. As you can see, it is already installed. A very quick installation and very easy setup, and yeah, you are good to go. Now let's see how this software works. So I'm going to take you to the page of the software now. Okay, so this is how the MobileTrans by Wondershare looks like. UI is quite simple over here. Here are some features available. I will be talking about these features. So, but before talking about any other feature, I want to go to the phone transfer over here because that is the important thing. In the phone transfer, as you can see, there is phone to phone, which means I can go from iPhone to iPhone. I can go to phone to PC. It can be Mac or your Windows, app to add, or even home screen layout. So many people have this option that when they switch the iPhone, the home screen layout is very different. So they can also bring the old home screen layout to their newer iPhones. So we're going to try these things over here. I'm going to try this thing and now it's time to connect your iPhone. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I have two different iPhones and two different cables. This is the lightning cable for this iPhone. This is the USB Type-C cable. So I'm going to connect both of the iPhone over here, this one, and then as you can see, it is connecting and this one. So I'm going to go for the trust iPhone. I'm going to put my passcode. That is actually important. So once I do that, I'm good to go actually. And let me try this out again. Okay, now I'm good to go. So as you can see, now it is connecting to my iPhone and both of my iPhones are connected now, as you can see over here. Okay, so over here, I'm going to share a couple of features with you that are very important. I'm going to share how you can transfer data over here. And then I'm going to share how you can transfer app to an app because this is also really important. I don't want to install every other app. It is much better to, copy from one iPhone to the newer iPhone. So let's start with the phone to phone. And for me, there are a lot of stuff you can do, but I'm going to share how you can do it for the contacts because that is what the most important thing. I don't want to lose any contacts. However, you can also do photos, text messages, and whatever you want to do. Everything is over here. So as you can see, I have selected the contact over here. I will do next. It is verifying my contacts over here. As you can see, it is loading my all of the contacts. As you can see, it is loading the contacts. It is proceeding with the contacts and it is transferring all of my contacts, which is very nice, very useful. And boom, it is done. Very useful. I don't have to do anything crazy and it is done really useful. Now it's time to, transfer app from my one iPhone to another iPhone. And let me show you how this works. Okay, so over here, as you can see, there are a bunch of apps that are already on my device. From this list, I can select any app. I'm going to select this one, next, and it is verifying. Just let it continue over here, as you can see. And now you need to enter your Apple ID. And I'm going to enter that Apple ID, continue, and it is restoring. And in a couple of seconds, it is going to be, on my other device. That's really crazy. It is quite useful, being very honest, and boom, it is done. As you can see, successfully restored. So that app is actually from one iPhone to another iPhone. Now let's talk about some more features that MobileTrans is offering. And over here, if you see, there are more options, like there is a WhatsApp transfer available, then there is a WhatsApp business, Line, and some other apps that you can see over here. And not only this software also offers backup and restore. Over here, as you can see, this is the backup setup. If you want to back up your phone data to your computer, you can also do that. And there are also apps if you want to backup, like you want to make the WhatsApp backup to your iPhone, you can also do that. So this is a really cool app, and it is going to help you a lot when you're going to switch your iPhone. So make sure to try out this app. So yeah, make sure to try out this app. Links are given in the description. Really cool app. Again, the name of the software is MobileTrans. It is by Wondershare. All links are given in the description. And let me know what you think about this, and let me know how your experience went out. I really like the app, and I hope you also gonna love this app. And yeah, what iPhone you're gonna switch, let me know in the comment section below. And I hope to catch you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Peace out.